him from the yard.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today we have the Subscriber's Choice, the October car reveal, and vote for the November build. Okay, so last time we had the LTD, the Caddy, and the Charger. As always, in last place, we'll start with the LTD did not get any votes. So, what happened is we had the Caddy and the Charger. People really wanted to see those built. This time, the Charger got 5 votes, and the Caddy got 7. So, we're going to build the Cadillac. This is the Seville, Cadillac Seville, for the October build. And then for November, I've chosen one of these cars back here to put into the lineup, and it is going to be the CUDA. So remember, vote once in the comments below. LTD if you want me to build the LTD, CUDA if you want me to build the CUDA, and Charger if you want me to build the Charger for the month of November. And remember, in January, I'm going to be giving all these cars away that I built for the Subscriber's Choice. And we may look at changing some things. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below to vote for the car you want me to build. Click that like button and ring the bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I'll see you next time.